One thing I wish I'd known before getting serious about mountain climbing: invest in an outdoor smartwatch. This is the Amazfit T-Rex 3. It's my go-to for tracking heart rate, altitude, and weather. Plus, it delivers real-time navigation and precise GPS even in the wildest places. Here are my top 5 features of this watch. 1. Advanced GPS tracking and navigation. The T-Rex 3 uses dual-band GPS plus 6 satellite positioning systems, ensuring accurate tracking even in dense forests and remote trails. 2. Battery life for extended adventures. With up to 27 days of battery, this watch is built to last. Perfect for multi-day hikes without constant recharging. 3. Rugged and bright design. Its stainless steel bezel and 1.5-inch AMOLED display with 2000 nits brightness mean durability and visibility even in direct sunlight. 4. Weather alerts for safety. Stay prepared with real-time weather updates. This watch notifies you of changing conditions so you're ready for anything the mountain throws your way. 5. Vital performance metrics. Keep tabs on your heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels. This data helps you push your limits safely, especially at high altitudes. Serious about the mountains? Strap on the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and brave your adventure.